Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLA 2.0 CLA220 AMG Line Premium Coupe, finished in sleek gray with a refined black leather interior. At the front, the CLA makes a bold statement with its diamond grille, aggressive AMG, line front bumper, and sharp LED lighting that sets the tone for its sporty character. From the side, this coupe's sloping roofline, 18-inch alloys, and gloss black body kit give it a streamlined, aggressive stance. The look is finished off with a subtle rear spoiler and sleek chrome window surrounds. Electric folding mirrors offer daily convenience with a premium finish. At the rear, it's clean and bold with wraparound LED taillights and dual exhaust, powered by a 2.0-liter petrol engine and a smooth 7G-DCT automatic gearbox. The CLA220 delivers responsive, confident performance. Ideal for both city streets and longer drives. Cruise control and start and stop technology help keep things efficient and smooth on every journey. Inside, the cabin offers a modern, upscale experience. You're surrounded by premium materials, ambient lighting, a full digital display, and heated front seats for extra comfort year-round. Technology-wise, the CLA Premium comes packed with features including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and built-in navigation, seamlessly integrated into the sleek infotainment setup. The CLA offers a surprising amount of legroom and comfort for a coupe, making it practical for passengers without sacrificing style. In the boot, you'll find a practical load area, perfect for everyday essentials, shopping, or weekend getaways. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration YP19MGA to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.